Now we will see how to design and analyze the steel structure by using STAAD. Okay, we'll just go through the basics of steel structure in STAAD. Okay, we'll just go through the basics first. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, just okay, just wait. Okay, sorry, I was facing some internet issue. Okay, now I will share my screen. Until now we have seen. Can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have seen RCC building, how to analyze RCC building by using STAAD, how to analyze and design a rectangular water tank as well as circular water tank by using STAAD. Now we are going to see the steel structure, how to design and analyze steel structure by using STAAD. Okay. Okay. So in RCC structure, in any STAAD model, basic five steps are there. First is model, then second is framing, then third is analyze, third is define parameters, then analyze and then design. हे प्रोसिजर ठरलेली आहे. Okay, same global axis is for the whole structure and local axis is for that particular element, like beam, whatever it may be, for beam, column, or any member. Okay. Okay, now longitudinal axis shows by blue arrow, minor axis shows by red arrow, and major axis shown by green arrow. Okay, we have seen this. Okay. Okay, how we can identify the start and end of the beam? By the colors. Okay, green colors shows the start and blue colors denotes the end of the beam. Okay. Okay, now we'll see the connections we need to use in steel structure. Mainly there are two kind of connections, shear connection and movement connection. In shear connection, it transfers the shear, and in movement connection, designed to restrict the movement and shear. Okay. इथे ह्या डायग्राम मध्ये बघू शकताय, हे रेड प्लेट्स प्रोव्हाइड केलंय, आय सेक्शन आहे आणि इथे रेड प्लेट्स प्रोव्हाइड केले. ते काय करतं, इट अलाउज एंड टू rotate without restrain it. Okay, it transfers shear out of the beam. Okay, आणि हे येते मूवमेंट कनेक्शन. याच्या टॉप अँड बॉटम पार्टला पण प्लेट्स आहेत आणि साइडला पण प्लेट्स आहेत, त्यामुळे हे मूवमेंट आणि शेअर दोन्ही रिस्ट्रिक्ट करतं. ओके, रेजिस्ट करतं. ते काय, फिक्स्ड सपोर्ट. ओके, okay, now we'll see, we'll start the drawing. Okay, now take the new project. Okay, click on new project, click on space. Okay, okay, now give a name to your file, that is steel structure, steel structure. Give a location to your file. Okay, give a location to your file. Okay, and length are same, length we need to select length in meter and force unit in kilonewton. Okay, click on next, click on add beam and finish it. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now keep your structure in front view. Okay, now just I'm assuming the length of my steel structure is 8 meter and width is 6 meter. Okay, my length is 8 meter and width is 6 meter. Okay, I just forgot to keep my structure in XZ plane. Okay, just undo it. Okay, and go to edit, keep the structure in XZ plane. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, and start it. Okay, click on add beam. Okay, click on snap node beam. Length of structure is 8 and width of structure is 6 meter. Okay, okay, click on top view and just divide the length in 3 parts. For that, go to insert node command. Okay, click on add n points and divide it in 3 parts. For that, give n is equals to 2. Okay. Okay. Again, click the other 2 beams and divide it in a 2 segments. For that, again click on insert node, add n points and click on midpoint and okay. Now just join this by using add beam command. Okay, just join this by using add beam command. Okay. Okay. Now just keep your structure in isometric view. Select all by using beam cursor. Select all and use transitional repeat command and along global y direction, and number of steps are suppose 3 and spacing is also 3. Okay, spacing is also 3. Now click on link step and okay. Okay, just go to and delete the bottom beams. Okay. Okay, now just remove the mesh. Okay, this is the modeling part. Okay, Hazala modeling part. Okay, now just give the property. Now just give the property to beams and columns. Okay, so just give the properties to beams and columns. Okay, for that, go to command, go to member property, go to prismatic, go to rectangle, sorry, go to data section database. Okay, earlier we used to go to define. Okay, now we need to go to section database. Okay, go to section database, click on section database, and now choose the country, select the country for which you need to design the structure. Okay, I'll choose Indian. Okay, I will choose Indian. Okay, for beams I will choose ISMB, okay, Indian Standard Medium Beam, okay, ISMB 200. Suppose I'll choose ISMB 200, ISMB 200. Okay, I'll choose ISMB 200 for beams. Okay, click on ISMB 200, make sure the material is still and click on add button. Okay, now click on channel section for the column. Okay, I will choose ISMC 150 front to front. So हा एक बॉक्स सेक्शन तयार होईल if I choose front to front. Okay, spacing 0 and click on add. Okay, this is just a ही एक सिंपल मेश सारखा आहे कॉलम आणि बीम एकदम सिंपल बेसिक बिल्डिंग आहे ओके त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त कॉलम्स आणि बीम्स हे दोनच आहेत नेक्स्ट बिल्डिंग जेव्हा डिझाईन कराल तेव्हा आपण ब्रेसिंग वगैरे घेऊयात ओके ISMB 200 for the beams and ISMC 150 front to front for the columns. Okay, now just create a group. Okay, for that press Ctrl G to create a group. Press Ctrl G. Okay, now give a name to your group. Okay, हे जे बीम्स आणि कॉलम्स आहेत त्याला आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या डिफरंट ग्रुप मध्ये असाइन करायचे ओके आता आपण नाही असाइन केलं तरी चालेल पण जेव्हा आपण इंडस्ट्रियल शेड डिझाईन करू तेव्हा आपल्याला अपर ब्रेसिंग लोअर ब्रेसिंग टेपर्ड बीम्स कॉलम्स असणार तेव्हा आपल्याला हे ग्रुप्स डिफाइन वी नीड टू डिफाइन द ग्रुप्स वेन जेव्हा आपण इंडस्ट्रियल शेड वगैरे मोठे मोठे डिझाईन करणार तेव्हा सो हे एक बेसिक इथे नाही गरज स्टील आपण बघूयात की ग्रुप्स कसे क्रिएट करतात ओके टू क्रिएट अ ग्रुप वी नीड टू प्रेस Ctrl G ओके गिव अ नेम टू योर ग्रुप beams okay select type as beam click on okay now create one more group give a name to your group that is column beam type beam select type as a beam and click on okay now beam if we haven't assigned members to the group it shows beam unassigned okay it shows beam unassigned column unassigned okay now just keep your structure in isometric view and select the beams parallel to X and beams parallel to Z axis okay and assign the and associate to selected geometry and associate okay now similarly column okay now for the column go to select beams parallel to Y axis and associate okay Control G just make sure it get assigned okay click on highlight okay it's assigned confirm it's assigned or not we have confirmed it's assigned okay now again go to member property okay now ISMB is for beam Now now press Ctrl G and click on beams and click on highlight, and here click on assign to selected beam and assign it. Okay, now click on ISMC. Now here click on create. Now click on second group column. Okay, just highlight it and assign. ओके, इथं एकाच वेळी दोन पेज ओपन आहेत. कुठले कुठले? एक ग्रुप वाला आणि एक प्रॉपर्टी पेज. ओके, ग्रुप पेज and property page, we are using both to give member property. Okay, okay, just काय केलं आपण? मेंबर प्रॉपर्टी असाइन करायची, त्यासाठी काय केलं आपण? कंट्रोल G. We have opened both these pages by using group page. We highlight the portion, and by using property page we assign the property. Okay, समजलं है? ओके ओके, प्रॉपर्टीज कशा दिल्या ग्रुप क्रिएट करून, समजलाय की आणि एकदा रिपीट करायचं? ओके, झाले, आपण मेंबर प्रॉपर्टीज असाइन केल्या. ओके, नाउ by using node cursor, select all the bottom nodes. Okay, select all the bottom nodes. Okay, okay, and create the fixed support. Okay, now create a fixed support. Go to command. Okay, go to command, go to support specification and click on fixed. Okay, now add this fixed support. Okay, add this fixed support. Select add this fixed support and select it. Select the fixed support. Select the fixed support. Select the nodes where we want to assign this support and assign it. Okay. Okay. Now the next part is loading part. Okay. The next part is loading part. Okay. Okay. The next part is loading part. For that, go to load page. Okay. Or else go to command and loading and primary loading. Okay. The first is dead load. Give a title to your load. Dead load. Click on add. Then the second is second loading type is live load. Give a name to your load as live load and add it. Okay. Now click on dead load. Click on add. Dead load is nothing but self weight. Okay. Just click on self weight. Give the direction is It's in downward y direction with the factor 1. Okay, and just click on add and close it. Now assign it. Just go to assign to view and assign it. Okay, now live load. For live load, go to add. Okay, for live load, go to add. For live load, go to add and go to floor load. Okay, suppose a live load is -3 kilonewton. Give the range to it. Minimum is 3 and maximum is 3 to 6. No, maximum is 9 and click on add and close it. Okay, here you can see a live load. Okay, आपण दोनच लोड यूज केले, एक सेल्फ वेट आणि लाइव लोड. Okay, you can see this structure in isometric view as well as rendered view. Okay, हे आपलं स्टील स्ट्रक्चर आहे. ओके, just close it. Okay, now we need to give a load combination. Click on load case detail and just click on add and click on auto load combinations. Okay, इथे ते विचारतंय प्रायमरी लोडिंग, लोड जनरेशन, डिफाइन कॉम्बिनेशन. आपल्याला कॉम्बिनेशन डिफाइन करायचे असतील तर आपण डिफाइन कॉम्बिनेशन पण यूज करू शकतो. ओके ओके, इथे 1.5 द्यायचं आणि 1.5. ओके, लोड कॉम्बिनेशन 1.5 आणि 1.5 or else add it or else just go to auto load combination. Okay, दोन्ही पैकी आपण काही करू शकतो. ओके, I will just add it and close. Okay, now काय काय केलं आपण? We have modeled the structure, we assigned the properties to the structure, we have assigned support to the structure, we have assigned load for the structure. Now just analyze the structure. Okay, now analyze the structure, click on add and close it. Okay, now go to run analysis, save the structure. Okay, now just check for the zero error and go to post processing mode. Okay, just click on apply and okay for the post processing mode. Okay, just go to modeling again and now design this structure. Okay, just go to modeling and design the structure. Now we need to select steel structure. Okay, now we need to select steel structure. Okay, now Which IS code we use for the steel structure? It's IS 800, right? Okay. Now click on IS 800 2000 LSD. Okay. Limit state method wala IS code we need to choose. Okay. Now go to select parameter. Okay. Now we need to choose which we need to choose slenderness limit. Okay. We need to choose slenderness limit. Just Tmain track parameter. Okay. These 3 parameter we need to select. Okay. Now click on OK. Now define the parameters. Okay. Now slenderness ratio for the column. Okay. Slenderness ratio. Suppose slenderness ratio for the column is 180. Slenderness ratio for the beam is 250. And ट्रॅक म्हणजे काय असतं आपल्याला डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन किती पार्ट्स मध्ये हवी आहे. ओके. म्हणजे एखादा मेंबर आहे त्याचं डिफ्लेक्शन आपल्याला किती पार्ट्स मध्ये हवंय, म्हणजे फक्त बॉटमला हवंय, मिड पॉइंटला हवंय, की त्याचं 12 पार्ट्स मध्ये हवंय. ओके. आपल्याला डिझाईन हे मॅक्सिमम डिटेल लेवल्स मध्ये पाहिजे असेल तर आपण 2 वरती क्लिक करायचं. मीडियम पाहिजे असेल तर 1 आणि मिनिमम डिटेल्स पाहिजे असतील तर 0. ओके. सो click it on. So select 2 for track parameter and click on add. जर मीटिंग ऑफ झाली तर पुन्हा त्याच लिंकला रिजॉइन व्हा. ओके. नाउ क्लिक ऑन क्लोज. ओके. नाउ गो टू कमांड. ओके. नाउ क्लिक on check code. Okay. And add it. Click on take off and add it. Okay.